How to delete all TikTok videos at once. Now you simply want to go ahead and make sure that your TikTok application is up to date in order to make sure that you have this feature. And before we continue, unfortunately, there is no definite way on how you can delete all of your TikTok videos at once, but I have an alternative that is just like deleting your videos or photos. You simply want to head over to TikTok application right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on profile. Inside profile, you want to click on this button, which is the three lines at the corner of your screen. Proceed by clicking on settings and privacy. From here, you can just go ahead and scroll down, click on activity center, and once inside, it will then take us to this page. You want to navigate through the manage post visibility. From here, you can just go ahead and select all of your posts, and right after selecting everything right here, you can just go ahead and tap on next, and you want to click on only you. Now this will go ahead and remove all of your posts from your TikTok profile, and it will only have the public visibility to yourself, which is like deleting it off the public. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.